Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. As you can tell by the title, today's video is a product review on a very exciting product for me. I'll show you in 1 second. But I got contacted a couple of weeks ago now asking if I would like to try a product from the brand, I want to pronounce it Lepant. It could be Lepante. I will leave all their information linked down below. All of their products are available on the Mom Cozy website, and I also have a discount code for you if you want to purchase anything. It'll give you 15% off, so I'll pop it on the screen and I'll also pop it down below in the description box, so definitely go and check that out. But they had contacted me, sent me a few little things and said pick a product, which one would you like to review, and I chose this one, which I'm so excited about. Little backstory with this particular product: when I was pregnant, like quite at the beginning of my pregnancy, I don't think I'd bought many things. I remember seeing a lady who had one of these on her pram and I was just like, that is the best thing ever. And I'd never seen it before, tried to Google it, had no idea what it was called. Like, I was very new to babies and baby products, so I didn't know what I was looking for. I tried everything in Google and just nothing worked. So when this came up and I could choose it, I was like, well, I'm gonna have it because I just think they are so good. I have used it a few times now. I've only had it for a few days, but I've taken it out with me on every occasion I've been out, so I feel like I can do a good review now for you guys and show you what this is all about. So this is the Mom Cozy Pram Stroller Pushchair, whatever you like to call it, organizer. It is just a short sort of cut off bag. It's so good. So they come with 2 Velcro straps on either end that you can just hook over your pram. My pram is the Mothercare Journey pram. I have got a video all about my pram. If you want to check that out, that'll be linked down below as well, in case you want to see the pram that I've got. But mine has like the sort of round bar that you hold on to push, not the sort of 2 handles, but it does come with some extra hooks and stuff, so you can make this fit. It says majority of strollers. It also comes with another strap, which is like an over the shoulder one in case you are carrying your baby, or you've got them like in one of those I can't think of the word, baby carriers, and if you want to take this out, it has an over the shoulder strap so you can take it out as well. You don't have to have it on a pram, which I think is really good. So this is what it looks like. I've got some other footage as well, which I will overlay as I'm talking about it so you can actually see it in use. There's lots of different pockets and sections to this, and I thought I would just share with you what it's all about. So it comes with obviously the straps on the side and everything I just mentioned that you could change it, and then it comes with 2 insulated cup holders, so you can have one for you, one for baby. If you've got 2 children, you can have, you know, 2 cup holders. Obviously you can have your hot and cold drinks sat in there. There are different pockets as well on the front. You've got like a mesh one on the top, which you can keep absolutely anything in there. I just popped Amelia's sunglasses. It was a really sunny day, so that's something that I want to quickly be able to grab. Then underneath the little Velcro flap is another really deep pocket. In this middle pocket, I have been using it for things I really want to quickly grab. So I had Amelia's dummies in there. I had her little toys that she loves. I had her lunchbox with her little snacks in there. So it's quite a deep pocket. You can fit a lot in there. If you didn't have a separate bag, or if you didn't want to take a separate sort of baby changing bag, you could definitely fit your nappies in there and some wipes and nappy sacks and stuff in there. You could definitely fit like that in there if you wanted to. Just depends on where you kind of want to store things, really. So that is the top part. You then on the one side have this mesh compartment which you'd be able to fit, and my phone is a 7 Plus, just for the size. You can pop your phone in, just in my lock screen, in there. My phone's quite a big phone, but you definitely hold that in there and it's not gonna come out at all. Then you have this front pocket, which is a separate sort of little flap to it, and In here you can put like your phone if you don't want to put it in the mesh thing. My phone fits in here with loads of room. I keep my like money in here, and it's just like my everyday must-haves, my essentials, my lipsticks in there where I can quickly get to them. And also this can zip off, so you can literally unzip it, and then you've got like a little separate little pouch. If you want to go into a shop, you can literally just grab this and go. You don't have to, you know, take the whole thing. If you're with somebody else and you just want to quickly pop in a shop, you can just go and do that, and then it all zips back on. And there's also a little handle on the back that you can use to hold onto it. I am super impressed with this. I absolutely love it, to the point where I might get another one for my mum, where my mum has Amelia. She might find it handy to just have things that she can like quickly get to. I am super impressed with this. I love how sort of it feels. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I can't really, you know, rave enough about it. I would definitely recommend this as a product for sure. If you are interested in it, then there's a 15% off code down below, so definitely go and check that out. I'm really impressed with it, and I think it is such a clever idea. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up so I know that you do. It's just fun, I think. And I will definitely be doing some more product reviews in the future. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, stick around to join the family. But I hope you're all having a lovely day, whatever you are doing, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.